If you've been wondering what kind of jobs are bringing people down here to the Rio Grande Valley, especially McAllen, Edinburg, and Mission, you're in the right place. If you're thinking about making a move for work, stick around. This one's packed with value. What's up, everybody? It's Bry Tallis, your McAllen relocation guide with eXp Realty. If you're considering moving down here for work or just want to find out which neighborhoods fit your lifestyle and commute, let's chat. You can call or text me at 956-300-4343 or email me at brysales@outlook.com. The McAllen Edinburg Mission Metro continues to shine as one of the fastest growing regions in Texas. And today I'm breaking down exactly who's hiring, which industries are growing, and why so many people are choosing to relocate here from cities like Los Angeles, Salt Lake City, and Miami. This region has been one of the top destinations for investments, expansion, and innovation. Here are some economic foundations of the Tri-City region. We've had robust economic growth. Real GDP hit $23.99 billion in 2023, up from $23 billion in 2022. That's steady, sustainable growth. And we're expecting to hit $25 billion for 2024. Job creation. The region added thousands of new jobs to September 2025, marking 2.8% annual employment rate growth. Education pipeline. More than 60,000 college students study locally. UTRGV in Edinburg, about 21,000. South Texas College has about 27,000. And the Texas A&M Higher Education Center in McAllen offers degrees that directly fuel local industries. This educational ecosystem keeps our workforce bilingual, skilled, and job ready. Beyond the airport and bridges, the region has modern industrial parks with highway and rail access, multi-modal logistics hubs for warehousing and distribution, and public-private partnerships expanding infrastructure, broadband, and road capacity. From McAllen's retail and healthcare corridors to Edinburg's industrial and agricultural centers to Mission's manufacturing parks, the Valley's economy is firing on all cylinders. Here's how the Tri-City workforce breaks down in 2025. Healthcare and social assistance accounts for 20%, retail and hospitality 15%, education services 13%, manufacturing and logistics at 11%, professional and contact centers 9%, agriculture and food processing 7%, government and public administration 6%, construction and real estate 5%, and other professional services 14%. That's balance, and that's what makes the McAllen Edinburg Mission metro area so stable. No single industry dominates. Let's start with McAllen, the commercial and cultural heart of the valley. This city drives the region's healthcare, education, and retail sectors that has become one of the strongest customer service and contact centers in Texas. More than 6,500 people work in professional call centers like T-Mobile, Spectrum, Ticketmaster, and other national brands. McAllen's young bilingual workforce with a median age of just 29 gives companies a major edge. Workers here can handle both English and Spanish customer bases seamlessly. To keep that pipeline strong, South Texas College offers world-class training in customer service and IT support, preparing locals for in-demand, stable jobs. Healthcare is McAllen's economic backbone. You've got Rio Grande Valley Regional Medical Center and South Texas Health Systems employing thousands of nurses, tech, billing, and research. Education thrives here. McAllen ISD and South Texas College employ thousands, providing both education and career advancements for residents. McAllen remains the retail capital of South Texas. La Plaza Mall alone employs thousands, while retail, dining, and hospitality make up about 15% of local employment. The city's small business scene is also booming thanks to grants, incentives, and cross-border consumer traffic. You'll find family-owned restaurants, e-commerce startups, and creative agencies expanding across 10th Street and North McAllen. It's opportunity at every level, from entry-level retail to business ownership, and people are taking advantage of it. Let's head north to Edinburg, one of the fastest growing and most diversified economies in the valley. They call it the Garden of Texas, and for good reason. Edinburg's food production, processing, and agricultural manufacturing industries are thriving. Companies like Pharr Produce, Nicho Produce, and Lakeside Produce feed the nation, working with local cold stores and distribution partners to deliver South Texas grown produce to restaurants to the East Coast and grocery chains nationwide. The warm climate, fertile soil, and affordable land have made Edinburg the perfect spot for large-scale farming and manufacturing operations. Whether you're looking to build facilities, partner with local farmers, or expand your business, Edinburg offers shovel-ready land. Edinburg is also the medical and educational hub of the valley. Here you've got DHR Health and South Texas Health System constantly hiring nurses, techs, radiology, billing, administration, and research positions through the UTRGV Medical Center. The Region 1 Education Center supports schools all across Texas. Edinburg is also the county seat, meaning Hidalgo government offices are headquartered here, providing steady jobs in administration, planning, engineering, and public safety. And beyond jobs, construction and land development are booming. New subdivisions, commercial centers, master plan communities, transforming Edinburg into one of the fastest growing cities in the state. If you're looking for career opportunities plus long-term growth potential, Edinburg's got both, from healthcare to government to development. Now over to Mission, where education and industry connect. Sharyland ISD anchors family life and education, while Sharyland Business Park, a 175-acre industrial hub, hosts 62 companies working in manufacturing, logistics, and distribution. Its proximity to the Pharr International Bridge is perfect for international trade and supply chain operations. Manufacturers like Royal Technologies, Nat Gasoline, and Hunt Valley Development have expanded here, fueling a wave of industrial and land development. Mission is one of the most balanced communities in South Texas, with great schools, affordable new homes, and tons of economic potential. Finally, we can't forget about Pharr, the logistics engine of the RGV. The Pharr International Bridge is one of the busiest trade crossings in the country, moving billions of dollars in goods every year. That trade supports thousands of jobs in freight, customs, cold storage, and transportation. Global brands like GE Aviation, Panasonic, Stanley Black & Decker, and Frito-Lay operate in Pharr's industrial corridor, drawn by low-cost, location, and binational trade flows. Here are some economic indicators for the Rio Grande Valley for July 2025. Job growth is up 2.6%, unemployment rate is 6.4%, hourly wage $21 an hour, and year-to-year earnings change is negative 1.7%. Even with modest wage growth, our cost of living is 30% below the national average, meaning your money stretches further here than almost anywhere else in Texas. Outside of work, life here is incredible. You've got short commutes, low traffic, great schools, amazing food, and weather that lets you be outdoors year-round. You're only 90 minutes from South Padre Island, and you can live comfortably without the stress or cost of big city life. Whether you're coming here for the career opportunities or a fresh start, the McAllen Edinburg Mission area gives you both. And with Pharr's logistics advantage, the region is only getting stronger. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I post new videos every week about living, working, and investing right here in the RGV. When you're ready, call or text me at 956-300-4343 or email me at brysales@outlook.com. And don't forget to grab my free McAllen Relocation Toolkit. It's packed with job market data, cost of living comparisons, and neighborhood guides from McAllen, Edinburg, and Mission to help you plan your move the right way. I'm Bry Tallis, your McAllen Relocation Guide, and I'll see you in the next one. And as always, have a blessed day.